welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to introduce you Clinique Smart Custom Repair Serum. This I use every night before go to sleep.
So this is the Clinique Smart Custom Repair Serum. It's a breakthrough serum that visibly improves the signs of aging. So this is for a lot of different skin types. So you can have normal skin, dry skin, combination skin, or oily skin. It'll still work. It's a lightweight serum that's used for fine lines and wrinkles. So this serum uses a patented Clinique Smart technology to deliver custom repair for the damage unique to your skin. A blend of peptides and salicylic acid help refine the look of fine lines, while botanicals and vitamin C help visibly reduce the appearance of dark spots and discoloration. Skin is left with improvements, including a more uniform tone, visibly diminished lines, and a refined texture. So how to use it? You should prep the skin for optimal results with the 3-step skincare routine. You should use it twice a day, morning and night. So you can pump it up to 2 to 3 times over clean face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Follow with your targeted moisturizer. So this is a serum that aims to target skin problems unique to each user. It fights inflammation, uneven skin tone, dark spots, dullness, and wrinkles. It increases hydration and firms the skin. So what we're saying is that it basically addresses every single skin issue on the planet with the possible exception of acne. So the key ingredients, there's a lot. Licorice and red algae extract. This reduces inflammation. It has caffeine, which fights irritation. It has vitamin C that fights dark spots. It has glucosamine and salicylic acid, which both brighten your skin. It has acetohexapeptide 8 and palmitoyl oleopeptide, which boost the collagen in your skin. It has ultrasomes and roxazomes, which help to repair UV damage. And hyaluronic acid and wheat germ oil, which hydrates your skin. It's a bit thicker than most other serums, and the translucent faintly peach colored gel has a slightly alcohol scent when you first rub it, but it goes away quickly. It's very silky, almost slippery, but not greasy or heavy at all. So I guess we like it because it delivers a lot. It treats a lot of issues in the skin.
This is Clinique Smart Custom Repair Serum. This is for face, so you can use daily, daytime or nighttime. Thank you for watching. The link will below on the description box.